Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by sanitizing hands and tools to prevent infection and ensure polish adhesion. Trim and file nails into the desired shape, then gently push back cuticles so designs sit flat. Once done, wipe each nail with 70% alcohol and let dry. This removes oils that repel polish. Now pick your base coat and the colors you want to use, arranging brushes, dotting tools, and embellishments within reach so you can work continuously without interruption. You apply a thin base coat to protect the nail and improve adhesion. Cure under LED for gel or let regular polish air dry briefly so it's tacky but not wet. Then paint color in thin, even coats, 1/2 stroke per side then center to prevent pooling and speed drying. For art, use stamping plates, striping tape, a fine brush, or a dotting tool to execute shapes. Place rhinestones with a drop of top coat. Make sure to seal every element with a thin top coat for longevity. You finish by applying 1 to 2 thin top coat layers to add shine and protect the art. Cure if you use gel, or allow ample drying time for regular polish. Once dry, clean excess from cuticles using a small brush and acetone for crisp edges, and finish with cuticle oil to hydrate. If a smudge appears, wait until tacky, gently smooth the surface, then recoat. If a piece lifts, remove, rebond with a small amount of base or adhesive, and reseal. Test one nail before full correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.